Sa video na to, ituturo ko sa inyo paano mag-transform ng quadratic functions, this time from vertex form into the standard form. And ang gagamitin nating concept ay perfect square trinomial. Without further ado, simulan natin. Halimbawa, meron tayong quadratic equation na y is equal to x minus 3 squared plus 4. Okay, so this is in vertex form. Diba? Y equals a times x minus h squared plus k. And gusto natin itong maging standard form. Ang standard form is yung ax squared plus bx plus c. And para magawa natin yon, kailangan natin maalis itong parenthesis. And para maalis yung parenthesis, kailangan natin i-evaluate itong part na to. Yan. You can use FOIL method kasi x minus 3 squared is also equal to x minus 3 times x minus 3. Multiplication of two binomials, pwede mo nang i-FOIL method yan. Pero may mas madaling method kasi. Kung gagamitan mo yan ng perfect square trinomial, mas maganda yon, mas maigi. Kasi sa perfect square trinomial, ang formula is if you have a plus or minus b squared. Para ma-expand yan, hindi mo na kailangan gumamit ng FOIL method or anuman. Ito ang technique. A squared. Kumbaga, i-square mo yung first term, a squared. Tapos, i-square mo rin tong second term na b. Bale, plus b squared. Ngayon, yung middle term mo dito, ang value niyan ay just multiply 2 times a times b, which is 2ab. So, ayun yon, plus or minus 2ab. So, i-apply natin to dito. Okay? Y is equal to x squared and then 3 squared. 3 times 3 is 9. Tapos sa middle term, we have a minus here, kaya meron tayong minus dito. And then we have to multiply 2 times x is 2x times 3, 6x. Tapos huwag nyo kakalimutan yung naiwan, plus 4. Simplify na lang natin. Y is equal to x squared minus 6x. Tapos 9 plus 4 is 13. Ito na yung standard form. Next example naman tayo. Halimbawa, meron tayong y is equal to 2 times x plus 5 squared and then minus 7. Ito ay naka-vertex form, gawin nating standard form. So, una, i-apply ulit natin yung perfect square trinomial. 2 and then times, following the perfect square trinomial pattern, x squared. And then 5 squared. Meron tayo ditong plus, so gagamit din tayo ng plus. Tapos, we have to multiply 2 times x, 2x, times 5, 10x. And then minus 7. 5 squared is 25. So, let's proceed. Y is equal to 2. Okay, itong 2, i-distribute natin sa trinomial. Okay? 2 times x squared is 2x squared. 2 times 10x is 20x. And then 2 times 25 is 50. Tapos minus 7. And then combine lang natin to. Y is equal to 2x squared plus 20x. 50 minus 7 is 43. Ito na yung standard form. Next, Say we have y is equal to negative 3 times x minus 1 squared plus 6. Okay, so expand natin. Gamitan natin ng perfect square trinomial dito. Okay, copy y is equal to negative 3 and then times following perfect square trinomial x squared and then 1 squared is 1. Tapos may minus tayo dito kaya minus din yan. And then 2 times x times 1 is 2x plus 6. Next, distribute natin yung negative 3. Negative 3x squared. Negative 3 times negative 2x is positive 6x. And then negative 3 times positive 1 is negative 3. And then plus 6. Y is equal to negative 3x squared plus 6x. Tapos combine lang natin. Negative 3 plus 6 is positive 3. Let us try one more. Halimbawa, meron tayong y is equal to 1 half and then times x plus 4 squared minus 3 over 2. Okay, ganun pa rin naman yung process. Itong x plus 4 squared, expand natin using the perfect square trinomial pattern. Y equals 1 half and then times x squared. And then 4 squared, 4 times 4 is 16 plus 16. We have a plus here, so plus din to. 2 times x times 4 is 8x. And then minus 3 over 2. Ngayon, distribute natin yung 1 half. 1 half x squared. 1 half times 8x. 1 half of 8 is 4. 4x. And then 1 half of 16 is 8. And then minus 3 over 2. And then itong 8 minus 3 over 2, para ma-simplify natin yan, ganito. Yung 8, papalitan ko siya ng 16 over 2. So, 16 over 2. Bakit? Kasi, para madali tayo mag-subtract, yung denominators natin ay the same. And at the same time, 16 divided by 2, 8 pa rin naman yan. So, let's proceed. Y is equal to 1 half x squared plus 4x. And then, 16 minus 3 is 13. Copy denominator 2. This is the standard form.